Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to solve another tricky problem together. This problem seems easy, but many people often solve it incorrectly. First, we will look at common mistakes and then I will guide you through the correct solution. So without further ado, let's get started. Some people solve it like this. They say 5 minus 5 equals 0, and then 2 minus 2 equals 0, and finally 0 times 0 equals 0. Some people, without considering the order of operations rules, start by calculating from left to right. They say 5 minus 5 equals 0, and then 0 times 2 equals 0. And finally, 0 minus 2 equals minus 2. And let me rewrite the expression here. 5 minus 5 times 2 minus 2. Sometimes people start from right to left. I don't know why, but they do. They say 2 minus 2 equals 0. And then 0 times 5 equals 0. And finally, 5 minus 0 equals 5. And as you can see, all of these approaches are incorrect because when you have multiple operations in an expression, you need to consider their priorities. So we need to review the order of operations rules to determine where we should start. So number 1 is parentheses and brackets. Number 2, do exponents. Number 3, multiplication and division. And finally, addition and subtraction. To explain these rules, I got help from alignment, so I recommend watching my video about the order of operations with alignment, where I used a funny method to help remember these rules. Now let's get back to solving our problem. In this expression, as you can see, we don't have any parentheses and brackets or exponents, so we can move on to step 3, which involves multiplication and division. And here we have subtraction and multiplication signs. And according to the order of operations rules, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. So we need to perform the multiplication first, then do the subtraction. Let me rewrite the expression here. Minus 2. So we start with multiplication sign. So 5 times 2 equals 10. Then we have something like this. So 5 minus 10 equals minus 5, and minus 5 minus 2 equals minus 7 as our final answer. Thanks for watching this video with me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more math hacks and tips. Until next time, happy mathing!